Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Ninang Coochie and Ninang Kasmin. I'm going to show you my new house. Let's go, baby. First we'll go out to the front part. This is our front gate. And this is part of our front yard, and there's our trellis and some plants with the planters. And here's our hydrangea. There's our neighbors. And here's our front door. 22. Vista. Don't eat that, baby. Vista Contento. Now we're gonna go inside. Look. There's Bob and Mern standing guard. Now we're gonna go inside our house. This is what you first see when you walk in the door. There's our couches in our living room. And the Phoenix is right there with a cowboy hat. And there's my palm tree, the TV, and there's the fireplace, but it's covered by the paintings. And when you look up, there's the ceiling. Wow-wee. There's the window, the skylight. There's my baby. This is our dining room with a chandelier. And that is my handsome husband in the kitchen. Yes. Here's our kitchen. This is Bubba. Hi, Bubba. Say welcome to my home. This is our stove. And all the way down here is all our cabinets. And all our windows. And right here we're going to put a table where Bubba's standing. Hi, Bub. Our brand new refrigerator. No, they don't care about the Lakers. This is the view from the kitchen. There's a little window where you can place your orders. And you can look into the living room. It's our kitchen, our dining room table. Going this way, that is the downstairs bathroom. That is the garage. This is a closet. It's dark. And here are our stairs. Going up the stairs. Going up the stairs. And here is part of the view from the middle landing of the stairs, because there's a landing. There's the skylight. There's my monkey. Going up the stairs some more. Now we're turning to the left, and there's our bedroom. And this is a balcony that looks downstairs. These are the stairs that we just came up. And here's my monkey. Here's our bedroom. Please excuse the mess. Oh God. There's baby's crib, our bed, and many windows. 1, 2, 3, 4 windows in our bedroom. And there's Bubba's kennel. Now we're going to the master bathroom. Kind of. This is Whoa. This big closet is my closet. This small closet is Mike's closet. And this is the water closet. Very nice, don't you think? So we're going out of our bedroom. Oh. To the loft, which is right here where the computer is. And this